In this video we have a equation m upon x minus a is equal to n upon x, and we have to make x the subject of equation. So when we are making a variable a subject of equation, we will write that variable on one side of equation and all the other variable or numbers on the other side of equation. So now we have to make this x and this x the subject of this equation. So first of all we will take this n upon x on this side. So we can write m upon x, and since n upon x, this fraction is positive because there is no sign over here. So when we take this n upon x on this side, this will become minus n upon x is equal to, and minus a will become plus a or simply a when we take this minus a on other side of equation. Now here we can see that we have to subtract two fractions and they both have the same denominator x. So we can simply subtract their numerators. So we have m minus n upon x. We can subtract the numerators if the denominators are same. So we have m minus n upon x is equal to a. Now we will take this x on this side. So since this x is dividing on this side, so when we take this x on the other side, it will be multiplied by a. So we have ax on this side, and since m minus n is equal to ax, so obviously ax is also equal to m minus n, and then we will take this a on the other side of equation. So we will divide m minus n by a because a is multiplying on this side. So when we take a on the other side, it will divide m minus n. So x is equal to m minus n upon a is the required answer, and we can see that x has become the subject of equation.